This used to be part of the dock to get into the house. This is, oh, it's all broken. See right there. Beware of dog. It's always open after 5. It's Charlie and Barbara's house. It's tilted over now because that's what's left of our house. It's underwater. Toppled over. If you look closely, you could see the kitchen. That's the kitchen stuff in the water. It's high tide now. That's Matt's room. In there. Can't really see my room from behind. Climbed up yesterday, got on there. Everything is in the water. Everything's on that side. This is the dock. This is really all that's left. I can't get any closer because I'm actually standing on water right now. Keith's boat's on land. All the boats got destroyed. Had to walk over a lot of rubble to get to this part. Lost everything. Back up a little bit. 220 Shore Road, slip number 2. Yeah. I don't really know what to say.